Welcome back, Glam Fam. It's Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with another eyeshadow tutorial using the new Natasha Denona Gold palette. And so far, I'm really enjoying the palette. So I've already done one tutorial. I will link that down in the description bar just in case you haven't had a chance to check it out yet. But this is going to be our second tutorial using this palette. I created this really cute halo eye with fall vibes, paired it with this nice beautiful chocolate lip. So if you guys are interested in how I created this look using the new Natasha Denona palette, please keep on watching. Okay dolls, another really exciting day of using the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I wanted to go ahead and kind of put together a few different looks for you guys, so that you can kind of see a variety of the shades in action on my eyes, my skin tone. So before we dive in, I want to go ahead and include a little bit of pampering, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Kiehl's butter stick, and this is SPF 30. Then I'll go in with one of my favorite mists, and that is the Cuddly Beauty Elixir. And I'm just going to spray my face down. Ooh, so refreshing. Okay, so I've already did my brows. I prepped my eye with my CoverFX Powerplay concealer, and I use the shade in Deep 1 to do that. And I'm going to go ahead and set the eye with the color Area, and it's this brown shade here. This shade does not show up on my skin tone, so this is really the only way I can use it. Instead of setting my lid with a translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and set it with that, and we will be using a Morphe M441 brush. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go in with our MAC 217 blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Teak. This is a really nice matte color. This is my favorite brown out of the palette. Okay, the next shade I will take is the color Log, and I really like this color. It's like a earthy cool tone brown shade, and this is a small pointed crease brush by Morphe. Then I'll take my fluffy Morphe brush that I applied Area with all over my lid and blend out my crease. Okay, I'm going to pick up some of my Inglot Duraline Mixing Medium and the concealer brush that I use for my brows. That's the Morphe M421 brush. And take 1 or 2 drops of that and just kind of pack that on the lid. This will be a Crown C510. It's kind of like the MAC brush. And I'm going to take the color Alchemist. Okay, so what I'll do now is take a really small pencil-like brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of teak. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and this is a deluxe size sample of one of the Lancome mascaras. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my face makeup, then I'll come back and finish up the bottom of the eye and apply lashes with you guys. Okay, the most of my face is on, so what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of my YSL loose powder, and this is the shade number 3, and I'm basically just gonna go up under the eyes and add. So I have to go in and add some extra powder so it'll catch whatever fallout. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs gel matte eyeliner, and this is the color Brownie. And I am just gonna line the under eye. Okay, so that is our liner. Then we're gonna take that really small brush that we were using earlier, if I can find it, this one, and I'm gonna pick up some of the shade Teak. Then I'll go in with Log. Then I'll just go in and take that brush and just dust off any excess powder that I have under here. I'll go ahead and apply my lashes and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on, the rest of the face is done. We're gonna do lips together, but first I wanna add that tear duct pop of color, and for that I want to use the color Brass, and I'm just gonna use that same little bitty crease brush. like that. And of course there is fallout, so I will take a little bit of my YSL powder and okay, so that is that. What we're going to do today for lips is we're going to be applying the Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in, which color is this? This is Naughty by Nature. I picked this one up last year and I just really love it, and I've been dying to put this back on. So yes, it's officially fall, and I kind of feel like this color will go with the look that I have going on today. So to complete the look, so I'll wait until the lip dries down. We'll do that together. While that's happening, we'll go ahead and set the face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I spray a lot. Just want to forewarn you guys, when you spray it, keep your eyes shut until all the little particles have fallen. Okay, so my hair has a little bit of a crinkle in it, but that will fall here in a little bit. This is going to be the completed look. I hope that you guys like it. I am really enjoying the Natasha Denona palette, really I am. The brown shades, two of the brown shades really are not brown girl friendly, but everything else I'm really liking about the palette. But we're going to continue to test it. I'm going to continue to give you guys feedback. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, dolls.